Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you a new tool that you can use to create screenshots on Windows 10 instead of using the snipping tool. But first of all, you need to activate it, so you need to go to your settings under start menu, and then in here you're going to go to ease of access. On the left hand side, locate keyboard, and then on the right, if you scroll down a little bit, you should see print screen. Just select that to turn it on. Now usually it works straight away, but you might have to restart the computer to make the changes. So let's say I want to take a screenshot of this Google search bar here. Press the print screen button on your keyboard. It'll flash. Now here I can create a rectangular shape and just basically left click and drag around the area you want to take a screenshot of. There's another way of doing it here using this one, and that you can basically draw around it. This one here allows you to take a screenshot of a window that you have up. You just hover over the window and left click and it will take a picture of it. And this is obviously full screen screenshot, like that. Let's go back into it. I'm going to just do the rectangular shape here, and I'm just going to drag around the area I want to take a screenshot of, and let go of the left mouse button and it will set it. And here it is in the bottom right, and you can just click on it, and there it is. And here you can do your various editing on top of the screenshot you've done here. When you want to save it, press the diskette and then just put a name in there, what file type. There's various options there. Usually I'll just do it as the PNG file and just save it, and that will be located under your pictures folder by default, and that's where you can locate it. So that's just a very quick video on how to do screenshots with the new screenshot tool in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.